The research I'm doing is in a very academic stage. It's developing a methodology to be able to do something.
For my lab, the ideal outcome is to find some sort of mathematical function that accurately predicts the mechanism that we're trying to learn more about.
So I'm working with Professor Stephen Feiner in the Computer Graphics and User Interfaces Lab. And right now, what we're doing is working with augmented and virtual reality. We're taking the Oculus Rift, which is like it's a virtual reality device, and we're like trying to put cameras on the front of it so that you can, feed the image of the cameras back into the Oculus, so you can just kind of like see through it. You can also impose like computer-generated graphics into it.
I'm working with Professor Shaughnessy, who is a chemical engineering professor. I'm basically taking a bunch of images of cells and I'm mathematically analyzing different aspects of them. I'm looking at stress fibers, like in the cytoskeleton of a cell, and I'm also looking at like the cell membranes themselves and how they like merge together with other membranes.
What I'm working on is modeling the properties of graphene from purely first principles theory. So computation-based simulations of the mechanical and other properties of graphene. I'm working with Professor Chris Marinetti. He's in the material science department here. Working in labs has given me a much more practical perspective on the stuff I'm learning in my major.
It helped me sort of see like how different disciplines work together, especially because I just didn't know what I wanted to major when I came in. And especially with my particular professor, he does a lot of like interdisciplinary work with like biology, chemistry, and applied math.
You also get to see a lot of cool technology you wouldn't see other places. So they actually have like tens of like just weird headsets that you can wear around and do different things, and it's really cool because you get to see a lot of like developmental technology that you wouldn't see elsewhere.